Hello my friends, and welcome to another build challenge. Today's challenge is called Your Chariot Awaits. And basically what you'll be tasked with doing is to come up with a craft of some kind, a vehicle, to help you drag some heavy materials from one place to another a little bit easier than if you were to just lift them off the ground. These things have been used forever, basically, since the wheel was invented, to be able to help people move large stones, bricks, trees, all sorts of stuff that would be in any other way basically impossible to move, but to make it so that they can bring it from here to there without actually destroying their back. There are a couple of different ways you can do this, and throughout history there have been a ton of different ways this problem has been solved. The ancient Egyptians, for instance, used to use sticks and place them underneath the heavy object. When they had the heavy object, when they were able to lift one side, they put a little stick under there. And then they go over, lift the other side, and then they could roll it forward. Once it got to the end, they would take another stick, put under there, and keep the rolling going. That's one method for this. Another method, which we see more in our gardens today, is a wheelbarrow. So this is a very simple model of a wheelbarrow. It has a little bit of paper tied to some cardboard with tape. And then you can place your object inside it, and it has some wheels. These wheels allow me to roll my objects back and forth. These wheels were attached with, in this case, a nail, and in this case, a screw, but you can use tacks, you can use pencils that go all the way through a piece of cardboard, all sorts of things. And this would be another way of helping you transport something heavy. Now, this is going to be a scale model, which means that this size is perfectly fine. Big enough to carry a couple of Legos is great. If you want to make this extra challenging, see if you can do it with some materials that are around your house a little bit bigger, and see if you can make it so that you can maybe wheel a rock or maybe a bucket of something. If you choose to go with the wheelbarrow design, you probably want some wheels, but they're not necessary. Just having a nice low friction thing here at the bottom to help you glide, kind of like a sled or a pair of skis, that should be able to help you pretty well. And then a handle makes it a little bit more ergonomic so you can pull it without hurting yourself. So find an object, place the object in your wheelbarrow, and then it should be able to move it from one side to another without that object falling out. And that's basically it. That's your build challenge. Come up with some cart or some method of moving a heavy object from one area to the next. And in your case, a heavy object could be a Lego or any small object that you'd like. All right, that's it. I hope you guys have a lot of fun. I can't wait to see what you guys build. Good luck and enjoy your building.